just knocked on my door? Hold on, let me go check who this was. I swear, it's someone talking about my car's extended warranty. One more time, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna just unlock this door. Wait, no one's here. Is that a package from Kinetic Labs? Wait, I think I know what this is. Oh my god, it's here. Let's go. Okay, so as you can see, I got PBT Hippo from Kinetic Labs. Looks really nice. And since this is a keycap set by Hippo Tech, I had to do a little bit of magic. It's blinding me. Hold on, let me unplug this. I really like this keycap set. It looks real nice. Here's my keyboard without any keycaps on. These are KTT roses. Just KTT strawberries. My bad. Here's a little bit of more magic. I'm gonna drop these on. 3, 2, 1. Alright, so this is what it looks like with them on. I really like them. I like how it comes with little novelties. Here's a little B-roll shot with the lights on. Kind of looks real nice with a little bit of a white back glow. And here's a typing test. I really like this keycap set. It has really nice purple accents, and I really like the Hippo novelties that comes with it. For $80, this is a really good keycap set. I have tried some G&K keycaps, and they feel really nice, but I don't want to have to wait 2 years for my keycaps to arrive. These arrived in less than a week. It was great. Disclaimer, my keyboard, this was like 2 months ago. My keyboard doesn't sound like this anymore. It sounds a little bit better. Here's what I mean. Still sounds really hollow though. I also got some pennies in it now, for the weight. This will kill someone. But yeah, that's really it. I really like this keycap set. It's a 10 out of 10. Yeah, 10 out of 10. 11 out of 10 actually. And yeah,